Hello friends, today we will introduce you to our Proton Elic RB128 drone. Proton Elic RB128 drone is an aerial underground imaging device. Buried in the underground, room, tunnel, space, passage, buried metal, buried volume items allows them to fly by air detection. It can detect a distance of 1,200 feet and a deep 50 meters. It transfers their dimensional and four-dimensional image to you on its connected private computer. It scans 5,000 square meters in 5 seconds at a time. Our Proton Elic RB128 drone is very comfortable and easy to use. It is based entirely on the wireless system and can remain in the air for about 30 minutes. The Proton Elic RB128 is connected to the Proton Elic 128 drone as shown in the shaft below. Our underground monitoring device has its own control panel and can be used easily with the control. Proton Elic RB128 drone. Let me start answering any question you may have. Is it forbidden to sell drones? Is it forbidden to fly a drone? Drone buy is not forbidden to sell. When you want to have this product, you buy it from the company. We will invoice you that we have sold this product to you. The Civil Aviation Authority will revise a certificate of use over the internet. Each device has a plate on it. From this serial number, you can fly the drone as a wish where there are no protected areas, military areas, and security forces. This is what you need to pay attention to. We turn on our Proton Elic RB128 drone. We activate the remote. Yes, our device is ready to make all our controls. Now we can fly. We heard a warning sound from our device. Says it's worked. We will open our program. If there is any calibration defect in the device does not have a functioning, parts of them will check. Yes, friends, as you can see, our Proton Elic RB128 drone flew very easily. It transferred the scan image in the field to the computer it is connected. You save our graphic on the screen while the drone was flying.